Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get construction vehicles in Grand Theft Auto 5. The most common and direct way to acquire these powerful machines is by locating them at various construction sites and industrial zones throughout the game world. You can simply approach and enter them to take control. This method allows you to quickly get behind the wheel of a bulldozer, dump truck, or excavator for your in-game adventures. You'll find construction vehicles in several key areas. Head to the large construction site in downtown Los Santos, often near the freeway, where bulldozers frequently appear. The Davis Quartz Quarry, located in Blaine County, is another excellent spot, often featuring multiple dump trucks and bulldozers. Also, explore the construction lots in Paleto Bay for additional options. Once you spot your desired construction vehicle, simply walk up to it and press the designated button to enter. These vehicles are not typically locked. After entering, you can drive them just like any other vehicle. For bulldozers, use the left analog stick to control the front scoop, allowing you to push objects or clear paths. Remember, they are slow but incredibly powerful. While construction vehicles are not designed for high-speed chases, their immense durability makes them excellent for causing mayhem or completing specific tasks. They can withstand significant damage, making them perfect for ramming through obstacles or creating unique scenarios. Experiment with different types, like the HVY Dozer, to see what fun you can create across the expansive map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.